our little planet.
I feel euphoric like Indian food makes you feel.
I love it.
Isn't it crazy?
I love it. You look pretty.
Thanks. You can hug me if you want. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, you're just so snuggly. I just want to sit by a fire with you.
Okay.
Okay.
We've had a lot of good days.
We have
Sucks
had...
this has to come to an end. Oh well.
See you later.
Yeah.
I don't feel pain.
Whoa.
Ew. Ew.
Oh.
Ew.
Oh.
No, let me in.
The older I get, the grosser my burps are.
Oh my gosh, that was so gross. Oh my gosh, it just keeps getting worse. Keep it gross.
I'm not a burper. I'm not a burper.
Oh, you're becoming a burper.
I should become one because I held that in for like 10 years.
Oh my gosh, it smells like it. The other day, you were talking to me like this.
That was accidental.
And you're like,
no, that was like a month ago. Last time I burped, and it was
that
just
was
like
3
it just
days
crawled
ago.
out. I'm not proud of it. Do you think I'm proud of this? Do you think I'm proud of this burden that I carry with me every day? No.
If this is like the trend.
It's not. It's not. It's not.
And,
it's not. No,
and
it's
the
not.
older you get, the gassier you get. I won't be able to be in the same room as you in a few years.
It's 4 years. That's probably the 5th time you've heard me burp. 10th time you've heard me burp. Really? Silly.
Oh, I am silly.
You are silly right now. You're being silly to me. Stop being so silly all the time.
We bought, oh my gosh, I smell that.
What?
You burped.
I didn't.
You did.
I didn't.
You did.
I didn't.
You did.
I haven't burped yet in December, so those are my 2 for December.
I'm good at dancing to rap.
You're so, that was like so gangster rap too.
Go to rap concerts.
Me too.
I'm like, hey guys, this is the best. And they're like, "Rah," and I'm like, you guys are some seriously good rappers.
Keep rapping, guys. Keep rapping.
Keep rapping. I know you've got the rhymes. So, and I dance. Everyone else is like,
What is everyone else doing?
like being cool.
Oh wait, what's a being cool face? Oh, wait, that does happen. I saw a DMX video 5 minutes ago that he was doing that. Because that is the cool face.
I walk around and like, yes. It's not.
You're too busy being cool. How could you remember?
It takes concentration to make this cool face.
So much concentration. I slow for manatees.
You do know they don't have legs and they can't be on land and walk around.
I mean, if I saw a manatee in the road, I would slow down for it too.
Wink. I hear myself saying something you would say, and I go, that's not me at all.
Like what?
Wink.
Wink, 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 wink. I'm like a Japanimation character.
I know, but I
Wink, 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 wink. Wink, 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 wink.
Can't wait to get out of here. Let your insecurities happen. Oh my gosh. What did you eat?
Here's the thing, I think I'm sick. I think I'm sick.
Something crawled in your stomach and died.
I'm so sorry.
Do you have a tummy ache?
Can I have a kiss?
No!